no! Alright guys, want to make some extra cash so you can buy more toys, quit your job, go on more holidays, or maybe build a monster truck? I've got you covered. Check out my course in the description and I'll show you how to make 100k profit a year. Alright guys, how you doing? I just picked up these inflatable crawler tyres from eBay. I think I paid about £27 for them. Comes with a pump. You can pump these things up, no foams. I'm not expecting much out of these things, but I'm going to try them out for a bit of fun anyway. Also guys, we've got this Haynes build your own V8 engine, and if you didn't see the last video where we blew this thing to pieces, we're going to do the same with this. We're going to put about 50,000 RPM through this thing and just send all the pieces to the moon. Also, we've got this little Lego car here, all little moving pistons, a little transmission in there. So the same treatment with that. We're going to stick a 50,000 RPM motor to that and watch this thing destroy itself. So that's all going to be in another video, guys. Also, I've got the slash 4x4 here. It's seen slightly better days. It could do with a full rebuild. But before we do the full rebuild, we're going to take it up to the local BMX track. Not the BMX track, the skate park. We're going to air this thing out. We're going to like blow the wheels off of this thing, completely and utterly wipe it out until it doesn't work anymore. And then we'll rebuild it. We've got Techno drive shafts. We've got RPM arms. We've got Proline tyres, we've got Proline body shell. This thing's going to be awesome, guys. Also, while we're up that skate park, guys, we're going to take this old TRX4 up there. We're going to air this puppy out as well, see what this thing's really made of. Also, guys, I'm getting thousands of YouTube messages now and Facebook messages. I just can't keep up with them anymore. There's so many. And even though I do appreciate every single one of them, and I'll probably read probably about 80% of them, there's only me here. I'll do all the videoing, I'll do all the editing, I'll do all the repairs, I'll do everything. There's nobody else behind the scenes. I'm just a one-man band. I'm doing everything pretty much myself. And I just physically haven't got time to go through and answer every single message. So my Facebook is just full of messages. And guys, I'd love to sit there and answer them all. I appreciate them so much, but I just physically haven't got the time. So this new thing what I've been doing for the past couple of months now is after I've uploaded the video, I'll sit at my PC for roughly about 30 minutes, and in that time I'm going to go through and I'm going to answer as many questions as what I can in that time frame. So guys, if you want me to answer any questions or you want me to see your message, make sure you're a subscriber, make sure you're notified, click that little bell button, because then when I upload the video you'll be notified. Leave your comment, I'll answer your question. Alright guys, let's get these things unboxed. Alright, enough blabbering. What we got in here? So the bead locks. Tyres look tiny, guys. So you've got the rim there. Got a this must be the valve. It's pretty cool. They are really small. Look, this is the normal size TRX4 tyre. Quite a lot smaller. Also in that box we have more tyres, and a pump. All little bits in there. Alright guys, let's get these mounted up. Alright, so we've got steel bead locks by the looks of it, plastic rims. Tyres feel quite grippy. I'm a bit pessimistic. I'm not feeling negative, but I'm not sure how they're going to perform, but it's going to be a bit of fun anyway. And isn't that what RC is all about? It's about putting a big smile on the face. I see a lot of people that argue about what's best and all that, and the best way is the way that puts the biggest grin on your face. If you're smiling, if you're laughing, if you're having fun with your friends, then you're doing it the right way. As long as you're not harming anybody, guys, just have fun. Alright, so we've got the pump here. Looks like just a normal bicycle pump. And then in here we've got these two valves. An adapter. So, alright, I guess we'll put one together. So these are just threading into plastic. So I don't want to do them up too tight. Luckily, there's not as many screws as what there are on this thing, because this took absolutely ages. Alright, let's see if we can pump this thing up. So these things here, I'm guessing, are spare valves. And they've already got that in there. So I'm guessing that these must be spare valves. Although I don't know why this has got that little stringy bit on there and it hasn't. I suppose we'll figure that out. So, that in there. Then that in there. definitely got air in there. Not really any pressure in there, but not really sure if you're supposed to. Let's try it on this one. You're supposed to push that all the way in? I don't know, it's not really putting any pressure in there. I mean, it's definitely got air in there. It's holding it in, but there's not really any pressure in there. I suppose for crawling, you want it soft anyway. Alright, well let me get the other ones put together. I'll do that off camera, and then we'll bolt them on and see what happens. Alright, so got them all mounted up. A couple of them, they're sort of holding the air what's in there. And then these two, they're not. And I'm kind of thinking it's something to do with this valve. But I'm not sure how these valves work. It looks like there's 4 spare ones in the packet. And I don't know how that's supposed to work, guys. I mean, that doesn't go in there. I mean, you're supposed to push it all the way through to make a hole. And it doesn't seem to really make much difference by putting that in there. Right, so that's... Alright, that's gone through this time. So we can get some air in there. Nothing. Nothing! Right, I don't know what's going on. Let's get some proper air on the case. Alright, so we got some proper air now. Guys, I don't know what's going on here. Guys, I haven't got a clue what I'm doing here. I'm just making this stuff up. There's no instructions in here. Nothing, nowhere tells you. I looked on YouTube. I couldn't really find anything. So I don't know how you're supposed to pump these things up. Alright, just sellotape that on there. Here goes nothing. check that out, guys. It's like a balloon. Alright, so I've managed to get them all pumped up. I've managed to get air into all of them. You're probably not supposed to run them with this much air in it. But I think what we'll do, we'll let the air out, put the sort of the amount of air in there, what I reckon should be in there, and then we'll pump them back up to this and give it a little run just for a bit of fun and see what happens. Easy. Alright, so I'm just going to try and let a little bit of air out and just run them on sort of neutral pressure. Alright, so here we are, tyres with no pressure in there, really low pressure. Alright, let's pump these bad boys up and have a little bit of fun. Oh. Oh. Guys, we got puncture. Oh. Oh no. Oh, guys. Oh. Alright, 2 we got to fix. Oh, hopefully 2 can hold the pressure so we can have a bit of fun. This is silly, guys. It barely even steers. Definitely no crawling ability left, guys. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. Would I recommend this product? It put a smile on my face, guys. So, £27, that was worth it to me, guys. And are they really any good? Probably not. I mean, one of them got a puncture pretty much within 5 minutes, just playing with it out there. The other one blowing up, that was kind of my own fault. The pump it comes with, absolutely useless. But fun factor, 10 out of 10. Alright guys, hope you liked that video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash the bell button to stay notified. Remember guys, we're going to the skate park soon. Steve's got a week off work. Hopefully we're going to get out, have a little bit of fun with the RCs. Alright guys, see you soon.